What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? I hope you're having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Parker Nierenstein, and this is Vehicle Virgins. Today, we are meeting up with the Salamandran crew, and I am buying a new car in cash, and it's not for me. You know how a little while back I gave away a BMW M3? Well, this is like that, only this giveaway is better. You'll see. All right, time to go get the money. Good morning, Ariana. Looking good today. Love this car. I've never loved a house before, but I love my house. Now, my whole driveway has been empty recently. The whole point of getting a house was to have a big garage, a driveway for project cars, for giveaway cars, so on and so forth. But it's about to get a heck of a lot more hectic. I believe in the next couple of days, my Lamborghini should arrive. And then, hopefully, in like 7 to 10 days, I'm praying the E63 will arrive as well. And then, yeah, we're buying a new car today, ladies and gentlemen. Target acquired, the bank. Oh my God, that old Porsche is amazing. All right, we got the goods. Alejandro just texted me he is on his way with Farshad, and then we are headed all the way over back to Santa Monica to go get this car. Oh my God, are you freaking kidding me? This is absurd, dude. Wait, why is it 68?
That's how they licensed it. Apparently, there's only 3 numbers that can really play with the license properly, and 68 is one of them.
Close enough, it's almost there. Wait, no.
We got the nice guys, Parker.
What? These are like seats out of a Ford GT. Look at that.
That's what they did.
GT40 seats. That's unbelievable. What's going on, dude?
How are you?
Good to see you guys. You ready to buy a car? I gotta say, this truck is absolutely ridiculous. Apparently, this was an F-150 from before they actually came out with the design of the Raptor, and they built it for SEMA to kind of look like what they thought the F-150 Raptor would look like, and they crushed it. It keeps getting everything that I want and just does it to another level. Oh, I want to get a truck for the channel. That'd be cool. Alejandro buys the coolest truck ever made in the world.
That's not true, Parker. That's not true. I got 2. Appreciate it. Likewise.
Wait, we like your color too.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Bus looks quite similar to this F-150. Seating capacity in this is just a little bit worse. Oh, here we go.
Look what he got. Look what I've got.
What do you get?
This truck.
Oh my God! This truck is actually insane. Just look at it. Oh, that color is epic. Well, today is an exciting day. I am here to buy a new car. And this car, it's actually special to me in a lot of ways. And that's kind of what we're doing with all of our giveaway cars, is picking something that actually has meaning to us, getting to experience it, have it on the channel for a little bit, and then give it away to one of you awesome subscribers for you to actually experience yourself.
And make some fucking memories. Just
and
like
make some
ours.
memories, exactly.
Oh,
no,
yeah.
I'm actually so pumped. The last giveaway car I did on the E46 M3, the look on the owner's face when he took delivery of his car, it was like, dude, Billy, I'm so stoked for you.
It is the best. There's nothing beats that.
The car that I am about to give away is a BMW Z4. It's lightweight, it's 2,900 pounds. It's an absolute blast to drive. 2, it's a freaking manual. Yes, manual transmission, 3-liter inline 6, sounds epic. This actually has some importance in my life. I know what you guys are thinking. How does this random Z4 have some importance in my life? This was actually one of the first cars that I ever reviewed from a dealership on Vehicle Virgins. A lot of people assume that I had tons of dealership connections going in and that's how I get all these reviews. I actually had 0. I had to go into dealers and ask them to review their cars, which took, I probably went into about 10 of them before anyone actually said yes. And the Z4 was actually one of the first cars that somebody actually trusted me with, handed me the keys and said, yeah, do a review on it. So I think we got to take this thing for a spin. What do you think? Let's do it. You're in the driver's seat. What are you doing? I thought this was my car. What? Okay, so for some reason, I've agreed to let Farshad take this for a spin first, and I don't think he knows how to drive a manual.
Where's the D?
Like that's the manual. The D's right here.
What?
Okay. All right. Oh, God.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
This is pickup. No,
It does. It actually does. It actually does. Oh!
Wow.
Wait, this is actually pretty quick.
Wow. that was fun.
That was fun. You hear that little wheel spin? That was epic.
Hey, what's the thing? You know, they say like it's fun to drive a slow car faster.
Exactly. Yeah. So like the smaller cars, like a Z4, like a Miata, you can actually experience and use all of the power.
Yeah, because the thing is, we floored it to like 6,500. You actually go through the whole sequence.
You actually
like
get
the modern cars. It's like,
nowadays cars are so fast, you're like terrified the entire way. Here we go, I am about to drive this. Now I actually, before coming here, watched my original review on the car from June 2013, and I was a lot thinner then, but I haven't driven one of these since then, and I am so pumped to get back behind the wheel.
The good news is these are lightweight, so it'll compensate for whatever.
Oh,
Wait, what kind of angle is this? Am I even in this shot?
yeah, dude,
Okay,
it's wide
sure?
angle. We got GoPros in this.
Wait, what are you trying to say? It's nimble.
Yeah,
Possible, and
that's the fun part about this car.
And you got a straight six. You have a 6-cylinder.
You got a 6-cylinder. That sounds.
Dude, look at this. It's throwing you back. Look at that.
Oh, and it chirps the tires between gears. Are you serious?
Dude, this is a fun
This
car.
is actually. That's a cop. There's.
That's not a real cop car.
It's not a real cop.
Where are you going, Parker? Where are you going?
Where are you going?
You have to make it legal. You have to make a dangerous left now.
I gotta take a dangerous left, but that's okay because this thing is sporty.
That's a great nickname for you, dangerous left.
Dangerous left. Seriously though, the shift linkage in this thing is fantastic. I remember this all the way from when I reviewed it in 2013. It actually feels like it has a short shifter from the factory. It's the perfect position. It's just fun to engage. I mean, you drove it for a little bit. What do you think?
No, this is a very fun car.
This is
very,
actually
very.
sick. Visibility is super good, and also because it is a convertible, you can just look right over your shoulder. Oh, I'm pumped. I'm pumped. This is awesome.
This is a great daily, great weekend car.
This is a seriously great daily. I actually read a couple comments from that review that said that it helped people actually buy this generation of Z4, and they were like, dude, I bought this car because of you, and it actually has been amazing. Like a really fun, good gas mileage, daily driver, honestly, the perfect first, second, third car or weekend car, whatever. It actually fits the bill as long as you don't need people in the back, because they're probably not doing that.
Do you remember the horsepower in these?
Yeah, 225. But it feels so much faster than 225.
That's not 225.
That's what I'm saying,
It feels
right?
like 300.
It does actually kind of feel like 300. You ready
It's
for
all
this?
good. Oh, yeah!
Well, I can't get over that. I can't get over how awesome that is.
Brings me back to like the good old BMW days.
It is.
Yeah,
It is. This is just
even the smell.
This is just quality. It smells like a good old BMW.
She's so much more space than I ever thought.
Yeah, it's a small car, but you got plenty of room.
Yeah.
That's another thing I noticed. Even if you're like 6'3", with the top up, you can still fit in this car, no problem.
Well, Harsha was able to see, which was crazy. That's what I was making fun of from the outside, because he's that tall.
Oh, that's another thing with a lot of convertibles and roadsters is if you are super tall, your face goes straight into this.
Yeah.
But it doesn't in this car. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna buy this. Wait, I gotta go in the back of this?
Don't worry, you got it on video.
Oh no. Oh,
Parker.
jeez.
Come. One time without.
One time with Avi, it sounds like I don't know what that sounds like. It doesn't sound good. So apparently, before I'm allowed to buy this car, I have to be initiated in the back of a CL63. So you're gonna initiate. Oh no.
You've never been initiated in your life.
Jesus.
Oh no.
This is gonna be it?
No, dude. What have we gotten ourselves into?
I warmed up the engine before you guys came. This was planned for mine.
Not quite sure what to expect here, other than the fact that a CL63 is really fast. He just reconfirmed for the 4th time that we all had our seatbelts on, so you know that's not a good sign.
What? Oh my god. Okay.
You know, every time I see a car, it could be anything from an Aston Martin or a Bentley, and I look at it and I say, I see you 8 years from now. With about 40, 50, 60,000 miles.
We're about to head out for lunch while Avi is gonna make sure that this car is perfect for the channel. We'll be back in a second. Avi is such an awesome dude, but I think what I'm most stoked about is how much care and how much thought is put into each one of the cars that he buys for his dealership, and that's a good thing for when I actually end up buying this car. I mean, the amount of research that he does, and then once he gets the car, he basically tears it apart and makes sure every single component is as fresh as can be. This is gonna be a sick Z4, guys. I actually can't get over the absurdity that is this truck, and I don't think it's Santa Monica approved size-wise to really fit in any spot here.
It's not a Santa Monica car.
Every spot is so tiny, and everyone parks so badly.
We were gonna park over there, but then nobody would have been able to pass and actually exit. Wow. This is awesome.
Oh yeah.
Truck Prius. Ooh, that looks good.
Wait,
What?
am I supposed to read this newspaper?
Yeah, once you finish, then you get to read it.
From the message.
It's an incentive to finish it. Just finished up lunch. Now it is time to buy that Z4. All right, we're back, and I can't get out. There we go. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. The Z4 is all ready. I'm actually so pumped. I haven't owned a manual transmission vehicle in a while after selling that M5. I still, of course, regret that. Obviously, I'm only temporarily gonna own this before I give it away to you guys, which I'll explain exactly how that's gonna work in a bit. Let's go pay for this thing. So last time when we did this giveaway car thing, it was very apparent that he's a good negotiator.
Thank you. I try.
You try and you succeeded. So I'm just gonna let him do all the negotiations because I trust you on this one. So let's go in and kill it.
Hang on, I'm gonna be completely honest with you, Parker. I'm gonna sit this one out. You guys.
Well, we already knew you weren't good in negotiating, so
let's see if we have to deal with Joseph or Avi. So that's the first thing. So
all right, I'll follow you.
Okay.
Oh, yep, it's Avi. Is that good or bad? Is that good or bad? How's it going, man? Oh, good.
Avi, can I have a piece of paper? A scratch piece of paper, can I have something? Okay. Write down the best offer we could do on the Z4.
That's pretty good. You are good at this. Look at that.
Wait, this is California.
Binding.
Put it in writing.
I'm slow.
He has to add on the. Oh no.
How about this? Can we do this? Can we do this? Okay, I'm gonna add a minus. I'm gonna add 3 numbers. I can't add this. I can't do the math, but it's whatever that is minus that. Can we do that?
We can do this. And I love you.
He's adding a plus back onto it. It's gonna be a math test.
Okay.
Is it good?
Are you okay with this?
Yeah, let's do it.
I think we should do this.
That was so easy. You're just back and forth.
How you like to pay?
No, don't worry about that. This'll do.
Whatever way you like.
Those are cold hard ones.
If my wife finds out.
There you go. Okay.
That was
so
good.
now, Avi, this is what I.
These are all ones.
Well, that's why there's a lot of them.
$30 here.
I thought I withdrew enough.
Maybe 40.
I thought I brought more than that. Is it?
Boom!
Okay, yeah, that's the rest of it. There you go. All right, man. Well, I'm so excited. Thank you very much.
Who's got the keys?
There's the keys? That's probably necessary.
I know, just put it in my pocket. I'm like, wait.
Did you guys get to an agreement? Yeah. All right.
Heck yeah, dude. The car's mine.
Parker, you did it in the first try this time. I'm so
I did. It took so many tries last time.
Because, Mr. How was his negotiating skills, Javi? Not good?
No, these are great.
Well, last time it was an ego match, him versus the guy at the other and that guy was just,
But there's no ego here.
No ego.
You have
No
business.
ego.
You just do business here.
Just
no
business.
ego.
He has the charm, the approach that he has. No, you want to work with it.
Yeah.
You know? Some people come here, you know, and they're like, they have that slimy attitude. We don't work like that.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Parker, I'm sorry if I broke anything.
If you didn't break anything, that was a freaking blast. Good to see you, dude.
Thank you.
My G, congratulations.
Thank you very much, dude.
That's awesome.
It's been a blast as always.
Congratulations to whoever gets the car at lightgravity.com. That's
Seriously.
serious. Damn.
I'm jealous. I just get to have this for like a little bit while I
But
make
you get to
videos on
enjoy
it.
it for a couple.
Exactly.
Good for you. Good for everyone.
Good for
here.
everyone involved. Woo! New car. It's even got Bluetooth audio. Let's go. Well, guys, here it is. The Vehicle Virgins giveaway car. A lightweight, incredibly fun to drive, good sounding, practical, good fuel economy, and most importantly, manual BMW Z4. Like I mentioned previously, this car is special in my heart in many ways. This was one of the very first cars that a dealership actually allowed me to take out for a test drive to film a video for Vehicle Virgin. And I will never forget that day and how much fun I had in that Z4. This car holds a special place in my heart and I want to share it with one of you amazing subscribers. But this giveaway is going to be even better than the last, and here's how. If you don't know how to drive stick or you want some lessons, I will personally teach you for the day in this BMW Z4 if you end up being the winner. If you're able to come out to California, whether flying or driving, we can spend a day together driving this thing, teaching you how to drive stick. We can even do a video together and you can be the star of a Vehicle Virgins video and you get a frickin' BMW Z4 out of it too. All you have to do to be eligible is be a subscriber to Vehicle Virgins and be a pro member at my website, likegravity.com/pro. Now, being a pro member is sick for many reasons. One, you get access to every single Vehicle Virgins video a day before they go live on YouTube, so you're always ahead of the game. Two, there's no ads. There's no brand deals, there's no ads, simply pure Vehicle Virgins content every single day before it goes live on YouTube. I also make an extra special effort to respond to as many pro member questions as possible. Got a question about the Z4? I got you. Not to mention, likegravity.com happens to be an amazing place for car enthusiasts to hang out, share the latest and greatest pictures and videos. It's a community of like-minded individuals like you and I who love cars, plain and simple. You know how every single one of your friends from high school or college gets annoyed every time you post a picture of a car on your Facebook? Well, that's very much encouraged at Like Gravity. It just so happens another incredible perk of being a pro member at Like Gravity is random giveaways. For just a pack of M&Ms per month, Billy, the pro member who won the last giveaway car, woke up one day with the news that he won an E46 M3. The look on his face when he took delivery absolutely warmed my heart. That alone made all the hard work and effort that I put into this channel worth it. If you sign up for a year membership, it's a little bit cheaper and you're eligible for all of the future giveaways, and you bet there's gonna be some more cool car giveaways like the Z4 and the M3. And for all you pro members who are already on the site, thank you so much for your support. I hope you are enjoying likegravity.com, and good luck. You might just win the Z4. So that's it. All you have to do to be eligible to win the Z4 is be subscribed to Vehicle Virgins, which hopefully you already are, and be a pro member at my site, likegravity.com/pro. I've got a link in the description below for that. Make sure to check it out, likegravity.com/pro, and you could have a chance at winning this epic BMW Z4. It's a manual, it's lightweight, it sounds good. I'm so pumped on this car, seriously guys. The giveaway ends March 15th. Good luck everybody. Oh yeah, and one more thing. I think I'm gonna wrap this thing and make some modifications to it. So for people who sign up to be a pro member, I'm gonna be taking pro member input on what color we should wrap the giveaway Z4. Might paint the wheels black, that's up to you guys. I'd like to customize this, make it a little bit more special feeling. I'm pumped for this, guys. Woo, there we go, home sweet home. Just absolutely ripped this little guy through the canyons. What a blast. It's actually shocking how well this thing handled. It was too dark to film, but I'm gonna take this thing out and give it the full review it deserves. Well, there you have it, guys. I am so pumped to add this Z4 to the Vehicle Virgins family, and in 45 days, give it away to one of you awesome subscribers. I am really excited about this, especially because it is a manual. A lot of people on the last car, they were disappointed that it was an SMG, so I thought with this next giveaway car, it absolutely had to have a manual and transmission, and that's what we've got here. And I think it'll create an awesome storyline if in fact the winner of the car does want to come out and learn how to drive manual. Be a ton of fun. I just told Becca that I got this car and she is dying to drive it. She wants to do a little bit more manual driving practice. I think that'd be a fun video as well. Like I said before, all you got to do to be eligible to win the Z4 is subscribe to Vehicle Virgins and become a pro member on likegravity.com/pro. The majority of the people last time did do the year-long membership. You save money, you're eligible for every single giveaway that I'm going to do, not just this, but more cars in the future, and those people are still eligible for this car from the last giveaway. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I had an absolute blast hanging out with Salamandran and Farshad. I look forward to seeing you next video.